This video is going to be on the Nissan NV200 SV. One of the other videos I did, I changed the battery out not too long ago. I've had the vehicle a little bit over a year now. Battery kept dying on it. It's a work vehicle, so I didn't have time to take it back to the dealer and have them check it. So I just changed the battery out after I called the salesman, and they told me it'd be days with all the COVID stuff going on. Basically, this vehicle has a recall on it for the ECU, and it's the variable timing control valve that is staying on. So if you're having problems with your battery dying on your Nissan NV200 SV, I'll put a link in the description below, and I'll try to stick one in the video here. Basically, go to Nissan and look up your VIN number on your vehicle and find out if you've got a recall for your computer. So the computer basically is staying on when you shut off the engine, and it drains the battery. So if you're coming out the next day, your car's dead, battery's dead, it's just programming, so they don't actually change the ECU, they just go back in and flash it. But that's most likely your problem and not a bad battery or an alternator. Now to locate your VIN number, if you open up your door, on the inside of the door, you'll find a vehicle identification sticker right here, and your VIN number will be on that sticker. You can also find it up on the dashboard. It's just easier to get off the door. So up on your dash in the corner, that's where the police officers always check. Your VIN number's right there also.